An influencer is essentially a marketer, 99% of which you will never know about. And that is the number one thing I want to tell you guys. The next big question is, how do I make money? Hello, travel lovers. Welcome to A Wanderlust for Life. If you're new here, hello. This is a bit of a different video, but if you clicked on it, I'm guessing you're interested in the topic. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and seeing me. Leave a comment down below if you're a returning watcher. I'd love to know who you are. But today I'm going to talk about something a little different because I get a lot of questions about this topic, so I thought it would be a great time to just do a little video about it. And that is, what is an influencer? What the heck do I do? What do I do for my business? And how do I make money? I think everybody's really curious about that kind of thing when it comes to bloggers and vloggers. So let's just dive right in. First of all, there's this term, influencers. Eee! Okay, I hate it too, but there's just such a bad reputation around it that I want to acknowledge. First of all, I consider an influencer somebody who has a following outside of their immediate family and friends, whether that be super small or super large. That's just what it means. And an influencer is essentially a marketer. Yeah, they pitch. I pitch. I get pitched too. It's a business, right? So I have an audience that people want access to, and therefore people pitch me and I pitch other people if I think they are a good fit. So let's jump into that a little bit more, right? Like, how do I pick who gets in front of you guys? Well, I consider it a very important job, and there are so many pitches, 99% of which you will never know about because they don't make sense for you, or they're just not right, or ethical, or whatever. But I am a platform with an audience, and therefore I am essentially a marketing channel. I take my job very seriously. I would never work with a company I don't truly believe in or would do or use myself. That's why every brand that we've worked with, I'm always like, we have to have the product or use the product or whatever before I can talk about it, because I just don't see any. I'm not a newspaper. Like, you're not just gonna see some random ad. I don't believe in that personally, but a lot of people do. But I'm letting you know how I work. So, do I pitch companies? Yes, I do. And I pitch to be paid because I have a lot of jobs as a vlogger and a blogger. I am a marketer. I am an SEO expert. I'm a social media manager. I have to do photography, videography, edit videos. I have to research, and so many more things. I have plenty of things that I have to pay for to keep these platforms going, whether it's cameras and mics, or if it's website hosting. There's so many different things. Adobe, whew, okay, right there. And doing all of this stuff is fun, and that is why I like to do it. I think it is fun, and it is a bit of a puzzle to discover what you want to know and how to give you that information. And I also love finding the best brands and experiences and travel tips for you guys, because it's just something that I'm really passionate about, and I think a lot of us have a passion like that. So that is why I think that influencers should be paid. However, during the pandemic, Sean and I have done things a bit differently. Here in Amsterdam, we've been supporting local businesses as best as we can. We've supported local restaurants, we've done 2 staycations, we order in probably a little too much. I love to share on Instagram when I know a business is doing something new because of the pandemic, maybe something that people don't already know about. But I got a DM from somebody who was concerned because I put out a call if anybody wanted to work with me on a video here on Vlogmas so that I could promote them for free, but I would just need the product itself for free to try so that I can use it before actually sharing it with you guys. And they were concerned because they were afraid I wouldn't pay for the product. And honestly, I wouldn't, because they want free promotion on this channel and I need to use the product to be able to do that. So, full transparency, I do get things for free sometimes so that I can share them with you if I like them. And I like them. Here on Vlogmas, those were the ones with Red's bartending. I will link that video down below because I was gonna do a video about cocktail delivery anyway. And he reached out and wanted to give me cocktails, and I did, and I loved mine so much. I'm probably gonna order another one next week after Christmas because we have plenty of things to drink right now. And then the next one was jarable because I was doing what I eat in a day. What I eat in the morning is exactly what their service is. So it's an absolutely perfect fit. And that is what I look for you guys. A perfect perfect fit. But I've gotten so many random pitches. I do ask for a budget because of what I explained earlier. And the reason I don't usually take things in kind like that, so I get offered boat tours, I get offered laundry services and different things like that, and companies don't understand why I won't do it for free because I'm getting my laundry done for free or I'm taking a boat tour for free. Well, the reason is there's so much work behind that. I wouldn't have a romantic boat trip because we'd be spending the entire time getting footage and taking pictures and getting this perfect and that perfect and asking questions. It's not relaxing. So you have all the work that you're doing on the boat, the pre-work and then the post-work, and then putting it in front of my audience. That's just a lot to do for no pay. And sometimes it does make sense if the value is really there. And that is the number one thing I want to tell you guys. People will pitch. People will pitch anything. It goes both ways. I just told you some of the pitches I've gotten. I've sent pitches as well, and if people don't see the value in it, it's a no. Or if they don't have a budget, it's a no, and I get that. It is a business agreement. Influencers are marketers. They are business people. Also, you will always see a disclosure. I will either say it, you will see it on Instagram, on my blog, on the videos. You'll always see the disclosure or hear the disclosure because I want to be straight with you. However, again, I want to emphasize you will not see a brand on any of my channels if I don't actually believe in them. I hope that is clear and makes sense. Please leave a comment down below if it does. If you have any other questions, let me know and maybe I will make a different video. The next big question is, how do I make money? Well, these brand deals I can make money from. I make money from ads on YouTube. I don't currently have ads on my blog because I kept messing up my website, and that is no good for user experience for you. It's all about you guys. It's all about you guys. I just want to emphasize that. How else do I make money? Affiliate links is a great tool for people like me because one of my jobs, I feel like, is to find the best of everything. So when I find the best experiences or the travel tips or companies or products, then I want you to know about them, and then I link to them in the blog or in YouTube in the description, and you can then use the same thing. And that takes the work out of it for you because I've already figured it out for you. And then I get a cut of that, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, which is kind of amazing. I will also sell some photography and videos to destinations and things like that. There's a couple different ways, but those are the main ones for now. This was really interesting. It was really different. I probably forgot to say a few things. I hope it makes sense. Ultimately, it comes down to the fact that I do a lot of work and I have an audience that brands want to get in front of. They hopefully have a budget. They have a product that they want to get in front of you. And if that fits this, then it comes together and then I can create something for them that is beneficial for you, and then I would get paid. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, please let me know down below if it was helpful, if it cleared up some things, or if it just made you have more questions. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.